What if you could start earning affiliate commissions today without spending a single dollar? Most gurus tell you that's impossible, but they're simply hiding the truth to sell you their overpriced courses. In this video, I'm exposing the free affiliate marketing resource that's helping complete beginners earn 25% commissions from day one. This straightforward system allows anyone to generate their first online income this week with zero technical skills or investment required. Have you ever felt trapped by expensive courses that promise success but deliver mostly disappointment? You're not alone. After discovering this resource myself, I went from skeptic to believer, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. My painful journey through affiliate marketing scams. Want to share something personal with you today. A few years ago, I found myself $3,000 poorer after falling for what I now recognize as classic affiliate marketing scams. It wasn't just the money that hurt, it was the crushing disappointment of realizing I'd been taken advantage of when I was simply trying to build a better future for myself. The affiliate marketing world is like a minefield. For every legitimate opportunity, there seem to be dozens of self-proclaimed gurus waiting to sell you the next revolutionary system. My first costly mistake was a $497 affiliate autopilot software that promised commission generation while I slept. The sales page displayed impressive earnings screenshots, but after installation, I discovered it was merely a basic link tracker with fancy packaging. This disappointment was only the beginning of a painful pattern. Next came the Commission Crusher course, $997 that guaranteed results within 30 days. The videos featured people claiming thousands in their first week. I maxed out a credit card, convinced it would be worth it. 6 weeks later, my dashboard remained empty despite following every instruction. My support emails vanished into silence. The most devastating purchase was the $1,500 Ultimate Affiliate Machine. The creator boasted $2 million in student earnings, but reality delivered outdated templates, generic email scripts, and campaigns for products that no longer existed. I still remember the hollow feeling in my stomach as I sat at my kitchen table at 2 a.m., the blue glow of my laptop illuminating my face as I refreshed my affiliate dashboard again and again. The unchanging zero burned into my retinas. That money represented hours of hard work, funds earmarked for home repairs, now gone without a trace. These scams succeed through sophisticated psychological manipulation. They sell dreams wrapped in artificial urgency, only 5 spots left. Price increases at midnight. The professionally designed pages with flashy graphics exploited my desire for financial freedom. Many testimonials featured paid actors. The same successful student appeared in testimonials for 3 competing products. These weren't success stories but carefully crafted deceptions. The pattern became clear. These programs existed to extract maximum money while delivering minimal value. I wasn't buying solutions, I was the product being sold to. After my third major disappointment, I nearly abandoned all hope. I concluded that affiliate marketing itself might be the scam. I deleted everything, resigned myself to the 9-to-5 grind forever. For months, I avoided online marketing entirely, ashamed of being so easily fooled. These experiences taught me valuable lessons about due diligence and recognizing the warning signs of manipulation. They also made me deeply skeptical of the entire industry. Then, while researching legitimate work-from-home opportunities, I discovered Master Affiliate Profits. My scam radar was hyperactive, but something seemed different. The first thing I noticed was their frictionless enrollment, no credit card required or hidden charges. What convinced me was their approach, offering value up front without demanding payment first. They emphasized building sustainable affiliate income through proper training and community rather than overnight riches. The shock came when I earned my first commission within a day of implementing their strategies. It was just $9.53, but it proved the system actually worked as promised, something I hadn't experienced with any previous program. Inside Dori O'Neill's exclusive MAP community and resources, that first commission wasn't just a lucky break, it was my entry ticket into something far bigger. Behind MAP stands Dori O'Neill, a semi-retired entrepreneur with an astonishing track record of helping over 1 million people establish successful home-based businesses throughout his career. What puzzled me initially was why someone with experience would create a program that requires absolutely no financial commitment to join. Looking deeper into MAP, I discovered it serves as a breath of fresh air in a polluted market. Unlike other programs with their hidden fees and false promises, MAP operates as a complete ecosystem designed to help people succeed without financial barriers. No credit card required, no hidden upgrade fees, and no surprise billing after a free trial period. This approach completely contradicted everything I thought I knew about online business programs. My skepticism initially made me hesitant. After all, I'd been conditioned to believe that you get what you pay for. If something costs nothing, how valuable could it really be? But what I found inside Dori's exclusive map community quickly shattered that assumption. The centerpiece of the program is Dori's Enroll Your First Map Members in 60 Minutes or Less course, comprehensive yet streamlined training designed specifically to help newcomers generate income fast. Unlike those vague strategy guides I'd wasted money on before, this course provides concrete, actionable steps that can be implemented immediately. The instructions were crystal clear, no technical jargon, no unnecessary complexity, just straightforward guidance for getting results. The YouTube viral funnel system proves invaluable for all members. This ready-to-deploy marketing framework includes professionally created videos and pre-written email scripts that convert viewers into buyers. I watched a member walk through the process. She simply followed the included instructions, personalized the provided email template, and within hours had her first prospect respond positively. Instead of spending weeks creating content from scratch, everything is provided and optimized for conversions right out of the box. Regarding commissions, MAP offers 25%, which might initially seem modest compared to programs boasting 50% or higher. Think of it as a smaller slice of a consistently full pie versus a bigger slice of a pie that rarely gets baked. MAP's products convert better because they solve real problems, resulting in more commissions overall despite the lower percentage. The community aspect truly distinguishes MAP. Dori has created a dedicated Facebook group where members share their experiences and strategies. When someone discovers an effective approach, they share it with everyone. This collaborative environment means the system constantly improves. I've seen beginners post their first commission screenshots within days of joining. A retired school teacher generated 3 sales in her first week using just the YouTube viral funnel system. She simply followed the exact easy-to-follow instructions, found inside Dori's Enroll Your First Map Members in 60 Minutes course, without needing to create anything from scratch. Another member, a college student, used the techniques between classes, covering his textbook expenses within a month. MAP eliminates technical barriers that prevent most people from succeeding with affiliate marketing. You don't need to build websites, write sales copy, or understand complex advertising platforms. Those elements are provided, allowing you to focus solely on implementation. Dori's mission is clear: empowering individuals to achieve financial freedom without investing in ineffective software or courses. So here we are, ready to transform your affiliate marketing journey. Unlike the scam-filled landscape we discussed earlier, Master Affiliate Profits opens its doors completely free of charge. MAP delivers Dori's course Enroll Your First Map Members in 60 minutes or less, guiding you through proven income-generating steps. The supportive community dramatically increases success rates, with members reporting greater confidence through shared experiences. Imagine checking your account just an hour from now and seeing your first commission. After all those frustrating false starts, you're finally on a legitimate path forward. Visit the link in the description to join MAP today. Your breakthrough awaits. Remember, joining is risk-free, no credit card is required. You'll receive everything necessary to generate your first commissions online. Join today.